going on, everybody? Froggo, Methodical, good morning, good morning. Zishan, Tamimi, Steve of the Fireball Chick, or she placed an order. Rayu, good morning. Adley, good morning. What do you mean? I didn't forget. I did that on purpose. I wasn't sitting at my computer. All right. Had an okay trade this morning. I'll get to it after the open here. Kind of working our way down, but starting to move back up here. Kind of feeling long bias here to at least maybe retry this area. Let me put my take profit in. That's what I'm going for. Oh no, I forgot to change it to 3 contracts. I don't really want to change it now. I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to cancel the trade. That's not, I obviously would have, I was looking for that to pop up through anyway, and it didn't, so. These opens lately have been absolutely crap. All right, I also have to fix, it looks like my Rhythmic for, this one is on the wrong one. Okay, that's what it is, for precision. Yeah, it's still off a little. There we go. Yeah, look, another fake out there. Looks like it would have worked. Would have been pretty crappy, but it would have worked. So the trade we got in pre-market was, let's refresh here, was all the way over here when we touched the bands. And we just got that little pop back up there. So it would not have been a very clean opening trade, but it would have worked. Morning, Jordan. With that exclamation point, does that mean you may have gotten approved? Question mark. Yeah, are you guys talking about Trading Monkey Trader? I totally forget what his name was. I tried to go long, but I didn't like the way that it just missed this and then died. Usually when that happens, it'll come back up. If it does retest, it doesn't quite give you that extra push. But today it actually didn't. It faked out, but then after it faked out, it gave you a little drawback and then worked. So definitely not the cleanest of trades this morning. Trading Monkey. I have no idea. I don't know. I haven't looked him up in quite some time. Still says under review. Yeah, they put out a thing the other day talking about people saying You know, they've been getting a lot of flack because they haven't approved, but they wanted to reassure everybody that they have until that last day of the month or whatever. So they're just saying be patient. No, I think, Zishan, I think that's the theory. I don't think that's been proven. Pre-market trade count as today's trade if you trade. Yeah. So 6 o'clock Eastern tonight counts as tomorrow's trades. The day resets, or, well, not resets, but it goes to the next day after that 5 to 6 year period, or 5 to 6 p.m. period. Don't forget that like button. If we can get up to 50 likes, we'll give away the My Funded Futures 50K account. Also, I don't want to say anything out loud, but I'm pretty sure My Funded Futures is about to have a sale pretty soon, and it's going to be a pretty good one. Like even better than Apex. So, I'm very much looking forward to that. I posted it in my Discord. If you're in there, it's in the main room, the chat main room. You just have to scroll up a little bit. I posted it this morning. Live in 1 year. Yeah, I wonder what happened. I wonder if he just stopped making as much money as he was from the stream, and I don't know. The 50K account right now is... You're going to make me look it up. I know it depends as well on if you do the starter or the expert. It wasn't letting me log in there for a second. Where is it? There it is. Oh no, that's... So for the 50K starter, it's $100 up front, but then you have $150 activation fee. If you do the expert, which right now it's 20% off, it's $165 for the eval, but then there's no activation fee. But like I said, there's a 20% off discount right now, so that would be minus 33. So right now it's $132 up front for everything for an expert account. So that's the eval and the PA all in one, but you have to pass the eval to get to the PA. But there's no activation fee at that point. But the leak is that it's going to be much better than that. So I would personally wait until that comes to fruition. But yes, obviously code VOLA. I saw my phone pushed a alert to me from Alpine yesterday. It looks like maybe he got his Porsche finally. I don't know that for sure, but I think it was a short, and it was him peeling a sticker off on what looked to be his Porsche. Let me actually go to his page and see if there's anything. So yeah, there's a short. Let's go see if he posted anything in the community. No, he didn't. I think he blew up. Seems more likely. Oh, Monkey. That was my first thought, because if you remember when he started trading options for a little while, he was getting out of hand, like big time. And that was my thought, is that eventually one of these times he's just gonna lose it all. That was my thought. How many days do you need to trade to pass the eval for my funded futures? One. I think it's all 1 day pass, etc. But they don't want you to YOLO the accounts. Like I don't know this for sure, but I think it's like they look for consistency even with the eval accounts. Like they don't want you to just make it all in one shot, like on news. But I don't know that for certain either. Just what I've seen. I really need to find. That's the one thing I haven't been able to find with my funded futures is like that definite, like I can't find the rules, like the full on rules. It's kind of frustrating. Let's see, trading evaluation. So for the 50K, you can only have 5 contracts anyway, it looks like. This applies to whether... I thought it was only letting me have 2, though. I wonder if it's just because they only allow you to have the one ad. It has nothing to do with the size. I need to just read more into this. Yeah, so it says why opt for the expert eval. So there's no scaling needed. So you can trade freely without the need to adjust your strategy based on account size. There's no activation fees and there's no consistency rule either, which is nice. That's true. I forgot about that aspect of it. The end of day trailing is for both. There's no limit on payouts. End of day trailing locks at the initial plus 100. So it looks like the only benefit of the starter eval is that it's just cheaper up front. Like if you don't have confidence that you're going to pass the eval, it looks like that's the big difference between the two. It's just that upfront cost. Starter is 2. And see, it doesn't say it was the difference between starter and expert. Let me go back. Let's see. Contract sizing. Yeah, see, it just says, for example, 50K account 5 contracts. It doesn't say anything about it being different between the two. But you're probably right. Let me go back to... Oh, that was a big down candle. Yeah, it says 5 contracts for expert and starter. But I wonder if that's for the PA. I wonder if they just changed it. I wonder like if I could do 5 now. I don't know. It doesn't say 2. I feel like I do remember it saying 2 before though. I wonder if they just changed it. Yeah, the consistency rule is 40%. It says you cannot withdraw any of your profits if any of the trading days made is equal or greater than 40% of the total profits. So it's the day itself, not just trade. If you exceed this, the account will not be breached, but you will have to trade and make more profits until you have made each. So it's just like Apex. Like if you go over that number, what is this chop zone? This is horrible. They made a little range here, and now they're just back and forth, back and forth. I did notice we're halfway now to that 250K account that we have. Got to get that one. Or actually, I think it's not halfway. You got to get the 6,600. For some reason, I thought it was 6,000. Gracias, amigo. It's the idiot box range. Yeah, I agree. Got a idiot box right here. News at 10. Let's give that a check. I've noticed they added all the news now on this Forex Factory calendar. Like it used to just be some news, but now they've got everything on here. So, yep, new home sales at 10 o'clock. Oh, we actually made a new high. Look at that. Broke out of that range for now. See if we continue or not. Don't forget that like button when you get in here. Appreciate you guys. I was looking to do that giveaway, but I would like to see a lot more people in here than we currently have. The giveaway will be a game of marbles for a 50K account with my funded futures. They also made me this cool partnership photo. Let me show you guys. Oops. Check that out. I know they just basically plug and play, but took the time to ask me for my my logo. Got the code in there. Check that out. Pretty cool. Like it. I like it. I think when they officially come out with that promo, I'll probably make a video. All right, coming up to that red to green. Let's see what we do when we get there. I would only assume we're going to have some sort of a bounce. I am on the eval with my funded future, so I might actually try to mess around with this a little bit. Just to try to get some trades. Maybe do a little more support and resistance type trading here. It's kind of looking for closer to that red to green. If you're looking to get short here at red to green, I would then be looking for a retest of this 56 area. $56, 57. It just missed us. All right. In that one contract. See if we can get the push back down off of that red to green. See if we can use that as resistance. As of right now, it went right through it. If we do push higher, I'd be looking for a little bit more to get my add in so that way it would bring our average above this red to green so that when we get the test of red to green, we could then take profit. But as of right now, we're just looking for this to reject and maybe come back down and give us this retest of that 56, 57 area. And if for some reason we do go higher, we can see if that only two contracts thing is still a thing. So the next area of interest I'd be looking for is right around here. That's where I'd be looking to get my add. Actually, probably a little bit higher than that. Somewhere right around here. And then, in this case, we would then be looking for the retest of that red to green. Quite the strong push here. Put the order out. Yeah, so it won't even let me put the third order out. So it must just be 2 contracts. I don't know where it says that, but Methodical said that's what he thinks, and he seems to be right. So Tennessee Rob, good morning. It's Alex P. What's going on? Good morning. A Buonox account? Anyone have one? I've had one before, and I've seen people get payouts with them, etc. We were actually talking about Buonox yesterday. So I'm not liking that we just got the retest of that red to green without getting our fill first. But we'll see how this plays out. Because that retest is what we would have been looking for. So Buonox, we were talking about them yesterday, basically saying that they're trying to essentially copy Apex. And Apex is the well-known brand, and Buonox is not. So I feel like they're kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place because most of the sales that they run are just to keep up with Apex. So I think they're kind of stuck in a way. But I mean, it's just, I don't know. It's an odd spot that they're in, but I've seen no issues with them. Let me see what he's barking. Tucker. Barking at. Yeah, we're still sitting up here. Starting to feel like it's trying to be a little heavy. But at this point, it kind of sucks because we didn't get an ad. And now we're just kind of stuck in between where our ad would have been and where we would have been looking to take profit if we got the ad. So we get a little pop here and then a reject. That would be obviously best case scenario. All right, there's that. All right, so now we just be looking for, again, the retest of that red to green. Well, dang. All right, well, this is no bueno. Might have to switch over and get ready for the band trade. If we start to get a move back down, I'm just going to put the stop above here. I was trying to let it make at least a temporary top, hopefully. Let's see if we can get the retest of red to green here. If so, definitely not the cleanest of trades, but coming down. Gonna bounce right off our average. Just need that red to green a little bit more. Go, 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 go. Can you imagine we had that big of a pullback, came that close? What is this? 974.50. So what's that? 2.5 points after we just dropped 20,000, 25 points. Dropped 25 points and it missed us by 2.5 points. And now can you imagine this goes all the way back up? Obviously could have took it off, but really thought that we'd get that little extra push. I was wrong so far. So we can get the extra little push here, back down. Come on. Just act like you want to go red again. Right there again. A little bit more. Give us that extra push. Come on. Just test it. Oh. No way. No way. $972.75. 3 ticks. Come on. Oh my. Oh my. 3 ticks. 28 points. Misses us by 3 ticks. What a joke. Do we take one off and then try to add one back? That's probably what we should have did. What a joke this is. Oh yeah, and we got news at 10. Shit. Look at this, guys. It literally bounced off our take profit order. It's just going to go straight to the highs just to laugh at me. I mean, I should have took it off there. I should have just hit the flatten button. But at that point, I was like, you got to be kidding me. Our last little push down, I guess. No. That's crazy, man. I mean, I get that it's supposed to bounce there, right? It's red to green, but I just thought we'd at least like test the actual red to green. I didn't think we'd stop perfectly above it like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? Yay. I was like, are you kidding me? I was getting some kind of warning. I don't know what that was. All right. Well, we got out as well as before news, so That was not exactly the type of trade that we were looking for, but all right, let's see if we can react to the possible news. Oh, nice little dump through there. This is not the news yet. Still a minute prior. Make sure I'm on the right account here. 19, yep. Would have been nice to hold on to those contracts at that point. Right back up. News in 14 seconds. Here we go. Wait, it says I have a working order here on my funded futures. What is that all about? Oh, the stop loss. There we go. That's why you have the order screen up. Well, that news kind of sucked. The candle before the news was better. Dogs are going in and out that doggy door like it's their job. Methodical, which one are you talking about? Only, you should need way more than 10 points, huh? Oh, you're on the. Oh, you're talking about getting the Apex account to pay out. Gotcha, gotcha. I thought you were talking about the My Funded Futures account. No, we're just right in the middle. Fun times. Apex's website is being super slow today. Anybody else try using Apex's website today? It's like super slow. You guys are quiet today. What's up, Nico? It is hot out. It's 66. Hear what? Me yelling at the dog? Getting on my damn nerves. My mom's getting on my nerves even more. It's supposed to rain, but she thought it's a bright idea to go outside and spray the dirt off the driveway, even though it's supposed to rain. We've had a full week of them coming in and out where she could have done this. But no. Huh? Trades by Matt? All 20 of them? How the heck did he do that? Where does it say he lost them all? Because I just clicked on his stream and it says 0 out of 20. Wouldn't that imply that he still has 20? Or is it 0 out of 20 as in he has 0 out of 20? I don't really know how Sierra charts works. Thanks, JG. If we sneak under this and start to come back up, I might take a long. This is on the My Fund of Futures eval. This is the only eval I have right now. I still might look for it if we get even a bigger push. This is just My Fund of Futures, right? Yeah. Just looking for the retest of that previous support that it just broke. Oh my god! And now my kid's school. Yeah, sort of DCA. DCA is when you keep doing it though. If I could have DCA'd on my funded futures, I would have been very green on this trade. But I mean, that is essentially what they're doing. I'm just mad because when I went over to the copy trader, it put my take profit out for the other trades, but my funded futures eval is linked to that. So it actually put a contract out at that same area, which I took that off for a loss. Had it not, I would have made a lot on those two contracts when I switched back over. But instead, I only ended up break even because it took this one off. And now we're right back to the middle. I know I'm green right now, but my day right now overall feels like a giant effing red day, like outside of trading. Like so much is happening right now that is just really getting to me. Penis pulls. And on it, well, it has a little bit to do with the pool, not the pool directly, but the collateral of the pool. Like I said, my mom was trying to clean the dirt off the driveway, but my dog kept getting out. And so they were running through it trying to get the water. And then she was also spraying them to go back into the yard. And then, so when they did, they ran through all the dirt in the backyard before coming into the house. And now the whole main floor is just imagine. Just imagine like one of those movies where you walk into a house and you're like, what the fuck happened? So now, not only do both kids get home around lunch today, but I also have to deal with that. Not really. Still probably have like another month and a half, depending on how everything goes. We can't even work on it again until 7 days after the cement. So next Monday, or I'm assuming next Tuesday, is the first chance they'll have to do the next step. They already came and did the plumbing, so that's done. But now we have to wait for the concrete to cure. And once that's done curing, they then can do like all the tiling and stuff. And then after the tiling, they do the electrician comes out and does his thing, and then we have to get an inspection. And then I forget what's after that. But all that's obviously going to take time. GDT totally missed his opportunity there. He should have said penis pulls are hard, not tough. All right, so back to trades by Matt. So when did he say that? Did he make a video about it? No, no video. These guys said he was talking about it, so let's go back to when he first started his live stream. It's funny though, because when you think about it, if he was trading the way that he does on stream, the only way that he could lose those accounts is if he completely just keeps losing over and over again. You can't lose it all in one shot unless you're breaking the risk or reward. Because if he's only going for $200, the most he could technically lose to stay within that 1 to 4 is $800. 8, 16, 24. So he would have to lose 3 times in a row, essentially, max at 800. Which it seems unlike him, with the way with how patient he is on stream. So like, what did he do? Did he go on tilt? Like, Tim's mom's job stuff. I'm not stressing, man. It's a lot of work. Like it was work that I didn't have to do this morning that I now have to do that I shouldn't have had to do. Oh, I'm jumping right into the balls. And then I'll swim right up to the tip. Well, if Matt would take a trade, he does that thing where he drags the accounts over, so we would be able to see if they were fresh accounts or not, but it looks like he hasn't taken a trade. Did you guys notice that YouTube changed the way that it looks? It's kind of cool looking. I like it. Are they outside again? Do you get the YouTube games? I haven't tried any of those. 58 minutes on the live stream. Says it was over the last 3 days and lost all his PAs yesterday. Interesting. Now we're headed right back to the highs. Just reading price action there. It didn't seem like it wanted to bust through higher. Just looking for the retest of this previous area. Dude, it was like within a tick. There it goes. Should have let it be, but let's see if we can bounce right back up. It literally went right to it again. Jeez, that's easy. Well, at least we can read price action. That's a plus. We just don't know how to put our orders in the right spot. It's VWAP. I guess I should make sure that all the updates are still the same, or promotions. I think precisions might have ended. Nope, still got a day. Still one more day. I hit the ask and didn't get filled. I tried to buy the ask and didn't get filled. That's how quick that jumped up. It's so frustrating. I need to get rid of this line. I mean, this line is still valid, but it looks like it moved a little bit. It's more like right here now. touch, 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 touch. That's what I would have been looking for my take profit, but yeah, I saw it. Morning, Marius. What did Alpine do? I don't know. I don't really watch. The only other person I watch is Methodical. I don't watch any of the other guys. I'll check in on them, but I don't watch them. It says he's live. Oh, he's up. I'm assuming he's going easy today because he's got all the accounts to pay out. Did I miss? It says he's up, but oh, there's a trade. Okay. It just wasn't showing on the chart. He was down after taking trade, but then he got back in and he made it back. Plus some, it looks like. We start moving towards the bands, I'll obviously switch over. But right now, I've just been taking trades based off of key levels on the eval. I'm not confident enough in them. Did Matt take a trade yet? Nope. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna put some chicken nuggets in to put on my salad today. Nuggies. I hope Methodical's right. Hopefully we get an elevator down here. Somebody might get a actual trade. Literally a tick. One tick. Come on. Are you kidding me with this? Thank you. Here we are again. Same. It's literally the same type of trade. This time I took off so it wouldn't take me out of a contract, though. Just looking for the retest of that previous area. Could have done that with the other ones, but just looking for the retest of this area, which is also the 50s. That's kind of the idea. Needed more than that. Not looking good. Looks like this wants to go lower. Well, buyers are stepping in here. They might try to push higher before going lower. We'll see. It's just laughing at me. Oh my god. All right. It's literally, what was that, 2 ticks again? Whatever. The fact that we got out there is fine. I think I might just be done for the day unless we get an obvious bands trade. Let me add it back into the bands trade, and then I'm just waiting for that. Pretty solid day, and I feel like it hasn't been. It's crazy. Honestly, not even sure I can trade more now that I'm thinking about it. Let me see. 6 divided or times 0.3. Oh yeah, I could go to 1980 for the 30% roll on the 250K account. So in theory, I could get one more decent trade. So I'm not going to force anything. I'm just going to wait for the bands from here on out. You know what I just realized? Today was pretty sure my biggest day ever. Like, by far. What's up, Rayu? Yeah. Stock Butcher, I thought you were a bear. I am overall. I'm having Indian food tonight too. And it's butter chicken. I'll think of you while I'm eating it. You'd be mad at me though. It's just boil in a bag. From Sam's Club. It's actually really good though. Trying to block the light, but Yeah, it's in Sam's Club. It's actually really good. I've had it before. It's obviously not restaurant quality, but it's good. It gets the itch. Yeah, it's true. We've asked the Indian restaurant that we go to, and they won't tell us. They say, you know what they tell us every time? They're like, it has tomatoes in it. I'm just like, you dick. let me know. I've tried so many recipes. None of the ones on the internet are even close. Pan pan. Yeah, I've tried all the YouTube ones, man. Me and my mom, we went through all of them. Not a single one tastes like anything from the restaurants. Not going on tilt mode. I feel that. All my stuff's right below my webcam. You can see it. I actually had a pretty good day trading. Outside of trading, not so much. I've had a pretty frustrating day outside of trading. Just when you think it's impossible for food to call your phone, boom, onion rings. Oh, man. Oh, man. Billnox actually is 90% off. It's there until the end of the month, 90% off. Change my code there. Hit the drum. Ba-da-bang. You eat lunch. All right, code VOLA 90% off at Billnox if you're interested. You don't have an ab, you got the whole damn keg. I don't have it's a 6-pack. I don't have a 6-pack. I just bring the whole keg. All right. What time do I have to go get him? 12:15, I think. Yeah. Oh, trades by Matt finally took a trade. He lost 500. Yeah, so he did show it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so he's got 20 fresh accounts. Yeah, I was watching the replay. I wanted to short that so bad once I saw it pop through 20K. Once it went through 20K and rejected right away, I wanted to hit the button so bad and then look for, what is this, like 84? But I'm being 100% strict with the bans right now. So yeah, Matt lost 10K across all 20 accounts. That's tough when you take a loss like that. No, he doesn't. He switches it over to behind the paywall at some point after the stream. He doesn't do it right away. his activity logs once, and if you looked, it's pretty sus. You could see trade drawdown 5K plus. You never see trades. Yeah. Well, I've been saying that forever about him. What's up, Fletcher? He's always been a behind the scenes trader. Like, how did he get such padding on those accounts that he had? Like, how did he get so far ahead on those accounts? Because on the streams he takes on trade, he's only taking $200 at a time. I've never seen him have more than a $400 day because the most he's ever made was 2 wins on stream. But somehow he was up like 5 grand across 20 accounts, like 5 grand per account. That made no sense. How's that even possible without you knowing about it? That was the move I was looking for right there. All out. Crap, I think I made too much, a little too much. Made a little too much on the one account there. Marbles. I think I made too much on the 250K account. How about this methodical? If you can send over enough people to where we have 50 people on the stream with 50 likes, we'll play marbles, and I'll give away a My Funded Futures 50K account. I'm waiting for him to hear it. Nowhere near too much? What do you mean? Oh. And we did end up getting that move back down. Methodical. We also need your social security number, please. What's up, guys? What's up? This will be my parting gift for the day. Here, I'll start it. I'm assuming we'll get 1-800 Tim's house. I'm assuming we're going to get to the 50 likes, so. All right, exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit the like button on the way in. Type exclamation point marbles in the chat. Let's give away a 50K eval over at My Funded Futures. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to switch that Bionox to 90%. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Hit the like button. Let's get to 50 likes. Looks like we're at 45. All you got to do is be here. You have to have an account with My Funded Futures, or just like a registered account with an email address. If you have the registered email address, that is what I'm going to need to get that account added to your account. Also, if you do win, I need to know if you would like it to be Rhythmic or Tradeovate. They offer Rhythmic again, by the way, if you are signing up for a new account. Just an FYI. All right. Where is my stream? There it is. Marbles, marbles, marbles! Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Let's see it. Bionox. Upload. All right, save. That should be good. All right, we'll do this at 12:05. You have till 12:05. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. All you got to do is be here and have an account with My Funded Futures. You don't have to have an actual like eval or funded account yet. All you have to do is have a registered account with them with an email address. The email address is what I'm going to need from you if you win. And all you got to do is be here. Hit the like button. Let's get to 50 likes before 12:05. That would be awesome. That's been my goal. Every day if we hit 50 likes, I'll do some sort of giveaway. I usually do cash. But in this case, I'm doing some 50K My Funded Future evals that they were so nice to allow me to give away. Obviously, code VOLA for any of your My Funded Future needs. Do you have to lose some monies on the 250K account now? I'm not sure. So I probably should. But with my luck, I probably wouldn't be able to. But if you take 6,600 and times that by 0.3, it puts you at 1,980. And I made 2,062. So the fact that it wasn't all in one trade, I'm just going to leave it. And if it comes down to them denying me for that, then that'll suck. But, you know, it is what it is. All right, let's switch over to marbles just for us. Oh, I don't need to. I'm just going to pick a race. I'm actually going to pick that one that we like. The one where, yeah, this one, Slippery Slopes. I'm going to see how many people we currently have. Add names, clear, open. We got 25 people in there right now. Exclamation point marbles in chat. Right now you have a 1 in 25 chance of winning. I'm actually going to put my name in there too, just for fun. Obviously I can't win. If I were to win somehow, I guess we'd just run it back. All right, you got 1 minute. What's up, Neo? Welcome, welcome. All you got to do is type exclamation point marbles in the chat, hit the like button, and simply have a MyFunded Futures registered account. All I need is your email account with MyFunded Futures if you were to win. And that's it. It's that simple. You win a 50K account if you win in the marbles race. I am going to go rinse this out. Or, no, I'll wait. We only got 30 seconds. All right, we got 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Thanks for the sub, Neo. Appreciate that. As Methodical would say, you the man. Joshua Tree sub as well. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. You the man. I hate saying that. It feels so methodical. All right, let's get it. Stop. Marbles. Close. I always forget which one it is, so I'm just going to type both. Close marbles. Here we go. Let's switch it over. Who else we got? Oh, it's Neo. Yeah, it's just doing that. All right. Open. 30 people. There we go. Let's get to it. What if it's a girl? Then you the woman. Alrighty, here we go. For all the marbles and a 50K MyFunded Futures eval account. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Well, I'm going the wrong way. Out to an early lead. We got Jocko. Oh, look at who's in the lead. Can we say rigged? Can we say rigged? But as we know, you don't actually want to be in the lead for this race. Because when we get to the middle part, there's quite a backup, as you're going to see. Jocko missing. We're going to go down the slalom here. Who's going to be first? It's still me, followed by Jocko, Rayu, Male Gossip, Methodical Man in 5th, Smitty, Pan. Let's catch back up here. Methodical Man, we're going to follow along down into the pegs, the boulders. Can we go straight down through? Let's see what happens here. Looks like I actually made it straight through. Rayu, another one straight through. Looks like Jocko actually taking the lead, going straight through the boulders, but Methodical trying to take the lead. Jocko finding a nice route through here, but going to get caught up at the end. Methodical giving him a love tap. Methodical and Jocko going into the spirals here. We're going to back up because, as you can see, once we get to the bottom of this, we got some spikes, we got some bamboo shoots, and then the fun begins. This is where the fun begins. Because if you're in first, you could end up in last. Now, gossip is a disease. No. Here we go. Coming down into the most important part of this race. Jocko Methodical, first one down. Trading for Science, a.k.a. Zishan. Methodical out in the lead again. Could you imagine Methodical winning again? Zishan said, not on my watch. But here we go. This is where it gets fun. Because watch Black Beauty. Black Beauty. Going to take the lead from Methodical. Bump. Jocko going to take it from Zishan. Who else is coming down? Bruno going to stop them. G going to stop them as well. This is where it gets fun. Boys and girls, this is where it gets fun. Can Methodical and Black Beauty get stopped? Some people getting knocked off here. It doesn't look like anyone's going to catch Methodical and Black Beauty. It looks like they're going to be the first ones out. We're going to go into the bottom here. Methodical and Black Beauty. And then we got Zishan and GFA. Here we go. Trading for science. No, oh wait, there's 2 of you again. Methodical out to elite. Can you imagine? It's rigged. 2 in a row. Is this actually going to happen? Up the chute. Does he take the right direction? He does, right to the back. He's up in the lead. He's got quite the lead here, too. I don't see how. All he has to do is go through here correctly. And he does. All he has to do is jump right into. Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought he fell off. Methodical man 2 in a row. Bruno and Rayu fighting for second place. It's going to be Bruno by like a split second. Rayu in 3rd. Sorrel Golf in 4th. Kid Poker in 5th. Mad Moxie coming in 6th. Oh! I went flying off the side there just as proof that you can fly off the side at the end. Jocko, Freebird, Smitty, and DCam Campbell coming in for your top 10. That is absolutely crazy. That Methodical won again. It's rigged. Absolutely rigged. All right, Methodical, what do you want to do? Do you want to keep it or should we run it back? Do we run it back or are you keeping it? I'll give him the option. That's crazy that he won. Methodical man, 2 in a row. Won it by 10 seconds too. That was nuts. Let me ask him. I thought he could hear me. I'll make him feel bad for winning twice in a row. He's asking his chat. Let's see what he says. I can't believe he. Oh, he said run it back. All right. I don't know if that would work because I have to actually give it to you. I can't just give you the money for it. All right, let's find a new one. All right, hold on. So, guys, I have to go. We'll do it. We'll do it tomorrow. I really have to go. I'm already late. We'll do this tomorrow. Be here tomorrow, and we'll do it tomorrow. But I really have to go. I'm already late. I'm probably gonna get in trouble for being late. Sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. I'll be here same time, same place tomorrow. We will do the giveaway. Maybe we'll do 2 tomorrow because Methodical said we can give it away, or maybe I'll find a way to possibly give it to him to give it away on his stream. We'll figure it out. But we'll no matter what, we'll do a giveaway tomorrow for a 50K My Fund of Futures account. But for now, I really do have to go. Thanks for being here. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.